Hi, my name is Andy Yang. I'm a lawyer and I live in Silicon Valley. My journey with Art of Living began back in college. I was overwhelmed with exams, deadlines, and constant stress. I was anxious, exhausted, and honestly, I felt lost. That's when my mother suggested I try Art of Living Part 1 course. I signed up for a few sessions in Cupertino and really committed to the practices. Almost immediately, I started to feel a drastic change. I felt lighter, more energetic, and genuinely happier. I was finally able to focus, manage my stress, and stay grounded. Thanks to what I learned, I was able to graduate with confidence. Even today, sky breath meditation helps me with clarity in preparing cases. I am able to effectively manage my clients and deadlines. I highly recommend the Art of Living Part 1 course with Sri Ravi Shankar this July. Thank you.